Good morning, my name is Dominic from 128 Plumbing. Come join us while we install a whole home water valve. It's nice, it's a whole home peace of mind. You can be in a different country and you can control this thing. If you are away for a few weeks and you don't have someone to check on your home, you can shut the water off from wherever. What's nice is it also alerts you if a toilet is running, so it notifies you before just shutting it off as well. Every home should have one. And you can also get these sensors that you can put at water heaters, laundry valves, under kitchen sinks, and that way if it senses water, this valve will shut off and prevent any flooding or any damage. If you're looking for a peace of mind with whole home water protection, give us a call. We can install a whole home water valve with the leak sensors, as many as you need, to kind of give you that peace of mind not to worry about any leaks.